Folks, space aliens, I'm one step away from my final destination. I'm actually at Lake Brophy. I'm going into the skills park, and I did the jumps, the blue jumps, which I'm going to do again here in a second. And they felt pretty good. I actually cleared a few of them. They weren't like wonderful, but they were pretty good. I'm just going to keep riding. There's a father and son here on the other side of the ridge. I returned to Lake Brophy to try and clear the remaining tabletops that I hadn't gotten. It was not good, washed out last year, so I did have some success with that. However, I did not make it to my final destination, Detroit Lake, so this was really the only place up north that I hit on this trip, so I got to spend a lot of time here, so that was fun. Get my ladder really slow, my saddle really low. That leads you right into the bike park. Yeah, see, I'm clearing them. I'm completely clearing them. A little off on that one. Not so much on that one. That's okay. Yeah, it's actually a good line right now. Oh, whoops. Oh, whoops. Yeah. Okay. That sucked. Nope. I need more speed. Wah! Oh, that was really close. I was really close on those. Well, I'm going to go do some of the other trails and then come back. I just don't think this is a very good drop. I'm not really afraid of it. So, the one on the left is the one that the last jump I didn't get. So I'm going to do that one first. See, there's a sign down right here. Let's see what this is like. Not too bad. I just barely cleared that. I'm getting good speed, but all right, this is where it drops down, I think. So far, I haven't gotten any jumps yet. Overcleared the crap out of that one. All right, here we go. Maximum depth. Oh, that was a smooth as butter. Whew. Oh. I'm gonna try and go for the last jumps. That's what I'm going to try to go for. I don't think I'm going to get enough speed for these. Nope. This is a step up. So close. I'm so close to clearing those. I kind of want to do it again. Whew. Yeah, it's pretty rugged here. Boy, I'm beyond exhausted. I think we'll see what tomorrow brings. This is a black diamond. And I just want to look at the beginning of this and see what it does. My guess is it goes down. Yeah, that goes downhill over some rocks and stuff. Black. Black, 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 black. That sucked. Big time. Trying to get the last two. I'm so close. I'm so close. When I returned to Brophy for day 2, this was actually Saturday morning, I found that because of all the rain they had gotten, it was just a little too damp. Not too damp, but just a little too soft, I should say. And I just couldn't get the jumps. Although I did try it quite a few more times, I decided to give it a little more time to dry out. I feel like I'm so close. Try very hard to do this trail. It's got a bunch of jumps on it. And I want to knock my bike off too. See, I'm clearing these. No problem. Oh, step up. I lost my momentum. Damn it. It was perfect the other day, and then of course the heat. There's always something. I'm gonna do the median drops. I think I can build myself up to anything other than this today. Really knock that dirt off. Not quite, but come on, pedal, 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 pedal. What the hell happened? Oh, it jumped off. Perfect. Oh, that rock drop actually looks like it'll be fun. You know, it looks like nobody's really done the big drops. Neither of them. It's a nice transition though. Really nice. That was a little bit hard. Yeah, not as hot as it was the other day, but it's one thing or the other. This time it's just a little too damp. Oh yeah, this is so much better. I'm here just a little bit later in the day. I'm like, I gotta give this one more try. I cased that one. This is the blue line. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. I never did get that shark fin, but I don't care about that one. We'll see. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, that's more like a jump now. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh, I'm so close now. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, I'm so close. Oh. I'm just barely casing it. I'm just barely casing them. Break away to move forward. Now I'm gonna go down this. There should be a couple of jumps on this. Yeah, I see one. Oh, thistles! Thistles! No. Now that might be a jump that I never got. That was a horrible gear. Wind's blowing right at me. Yeah, There's stuff here that I still haven't gotten. No doubt. This is the super sketchy downhill. Oh, that was a piece of cake. Almost time for my farewell. I'm thinking about stopping at Bertram, but I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna stop somewhere for something at some point in time. I'm really close to clearing some of the jumps. It feels like I'm clearing them, but then I'm bumping. So I know sometimes you bump when you land, even though you clear it. On this blankety blank 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 jump line, because that's about what I feel right now about it. Seriously, said Ken Knoll. Seriously, said Ken Knoll. Yeah! That is that's what I feel about, that's how I feel about that drop. Oh yes! Yes! Oh, I got him! Woo! Yes! 300! Oh, I don't know what I did. I have my fork on 5 clicks, and I have the bike on lock, or stiffest rear. Wah! Funny, I cleared the 100th table at this place. So I did 200 tables, and then I came back here. Actually, 96 or 7, because I think I did 104 or 5 here. Yeah, there's a lot of okay, that doesn't look too bad. Still washed out. I don't think I'm gonna do the big one. I'll do that one, and then this is a little scary because you're coming at this at some serious speed. That does not look good at all. I might just skip it.